a love poem, for I've set my heart to that. By the time we part, its tune be heard far away. You Catola, let's do it, but I accuse you of false friendship. For ever since the serpent lowered the branch, there haven't been as many deceitful women. Marcabru, it doesn't please me that you say anything but good about love. I begin this tenso because love gave me life and raised me. Catola, you don't listen to reason. Don't you know how love betrayed Samson? You and the other suckers, darling. Do you think that everything it tells you is true? Marcabru, we do not find people who say about the strong Samson and his wife that she had removed her love at the time his life ran out. Catola, it's to the worst. She gave her love and took it away from the best and lost her worth the day her husband was betrayed for the foreigner. Marcabru, since you imply that love is mixed with deception, is almsgiving sin, and the top below the root. Catola, the love you talk about secretly changes the dice. Stop after a good roll, say Solomon and David. Marcabru, friendship decays because it has found youth uncouth. I have anger and revulsion in my heart because it has caused such ugly cries. Catola overchokes here, and the look of things confirms it, that love does not discriminate against brown or bay, but appeals mostly to degenerates. Marcabru, I do not think you ever loved love towards which you are so vehement, nor that it ever esteemed anything less than certain brainless jesters. Catola, love never took a step towards me without fleeing right away, and it still tirelessly flees and will do so till it is undone. Marcabru, when I'm tired and sad, and my good friend greets me with a kiss while I take off my clothes. I go away, well,